All right, coming to you live from UT Stadium and DevOps Days, Austin. I'm here with Bill Maxwell of Rancher Labs. Bill, how you doing?
Doing pretty good. Thanks for having me.
Sure. So you are the Mr. DevOps over there. What is your title?
Principal DevOps Engineer at Rancher Labs. I do all the CI/CD pipelining and tooling to help make our software processes deliver efficiently.
Cool. So let's just take a step back. What is Rancher Labs? What are the couple of components there?
So Rancher's really got two key products right now. It's got Rancher, which is a Docker orchestration layer, or a container as a service would be a good way to describe it. Allows you to run containers in your infrastructure and provides overlay networking, load balancing, metadata services, really everything you need to kind of bootstrap and run container applications. And then we've got Rancher OS, which is a lightweight Linux distribution that allows you to run containers very quickly in a lightweight package.
Yeah, and if I remember correctly, it's actually one of the lightest. How much is it?
It grows a little bit as it takes on a little bit more functionality, but I think it's weighing in at about 50 megabytes right now.
That's not bad. It's a little bit smaller than Windows. So anyway, so tell me a little bit more about some of the directions that Rancher is heading. What are some of your goals for the next year?
Well, right now we've GA'd earlier this year, and so we've seen a lot of pickup and traction there, and so we added support with Kubernetes and Swarm, so we'll be continuing to improve those integrations with the product. We're also looking at Mesosphere and integrating that. And we have some long plays in our storage solutions and trying to help users with that piece of the infrastructure as well. And then just continuing to build and add capabilities to Rancher.
So if we take a turn to customers, what kinds of customers are looking at this or might be kicking the tires on this? You don't have to name names unless you can.
I don't think I can, but no, we're seeing a lot of large enterprises moving into Docker containers pretty quickly. A lot faster than we expected, and so we're seeing large organizations with potentially hundreds of thousands of employees down to smaller companies, startups. Since it's open source, they're looking at it as well. But it really runs the mix. We also have some potential government entities as well looking at Rancher, so it's a pretty exciting time actually.
So, and just to conclude, and you touched on this a little bit before, but what kind of functionality would you like to add?
We're working a lot with helping extend Rancher into the enterprise. So people have investments in other types of load balancing solutions. So helping them integrate with that, when they deploy services and tying that network flow from kind of end user all the way back down to their containers. And so the patterns around that, we're working on helping them ease into secrets management, which is a tough one with containers or anything really. And then just continuing out the integrations with other platforms just to help users that are kicking the tires and finding things that they like.
Awesome. Bill Maxwell, thank you so much.
Thank you.